Welcome back to CRBTrains. As you can see, well, we're somewhere foreign today. I've never been here before, which means this is obviously my first time here. And I know absolutely nothing about this line, but there's somebody here that knows everything about this line, and he just so happens to have just hit 1,000 subscribers. So let's cut right to him.
Hey, what's up everybody? It's a guy in the orange hat, Historic Beaver Falls, HistoricBF on YouTube. So this is the Fort Wayne line, and we are at the Highland Cut. It's about the 38-mile post on the Fort Wayne line, and this is the highest point on the line between Pittsburgh and Chicago. This was excavated back in the 1850s by the Pittsburgh, Fort Wayne, and Chicago Railroad, and shortly thereafter leased by the Pennsylvania, becoming their main line between Pittsburgh and Chicago.
Now, I've seen this exact line in a ton of your videos, and this just so happens to be the line that there was just a major derailment in right down there.
So the derailment that they had a year ago here in the Highland Cut was similar to what everybody remembers from Horseshoe Curve a few years ago, where they had a string of unloaded spine cars in the middle of a train, and this is actually, we're standing at about the crest, the summit of the line. So the power was pulling that way, the weight of the train was pulling back that way, and this is a compound curve. It pulled the spine cars straight, the flanges came up off the rails. But what everybody would recognize more recently is about 15 miles that direction, the fireball from East Palestine. And because of these Palestine derailment, the schedules through here are all screwed up. We normally get about 60 trains a day through here. Right now, since they're single track through East Palestine doing the remediation, we're only getting about 35 or 40 trains a day. That's probably going to last for a couple more months, but it's still a really active line. Hopefully we get to see something good. Hope you enjoy it.
We've got a special guest from Yellow Nose Productions. You guys know him as Jake.
What's up, everyone?
Special shout out to this guy who drove all the way down from Indianapolis to pick me up in Cincinnati and drove me all the way to Strasburg to see number 90 and 89. Those will be in separate videos. Anything you'd like to say?
Yeah, just pretty much what you said. It's fun to see new territory, learn the history about it. We're gonna have a good time.
So without further ado, let's get this thing started. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the video.